And he has a table site King Leopold. Alice Prawn, yeah. Alice Prawn, January 30th, 2003. Yeah.
Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous of Elijah was pictures of America.
A flash of leg. The taste of temptation. The smell of corruption. And things that go bump in the night.
I like your hair, I'm wearing a buckle shoe. And all that jazz.
Velma has it.
I want a brand new start to do that jazz.
Roxy wants it.
All my life I wanted to have my own act.
That's great. We'll be in touch.
You know, I'm not quite finished yet.
Face it, Roxy, you ain't never gonna have an act.
You got connections.
I would have said anything to get a piece of that. What you need is Billy Flynn.
He's never lost a case.
Billy can fix it.
My client feels that it was the combination of liquor and jazz which led to the downfall.
Hey, Mama, you're the Velma Kelly. I was there the night that you got arrested.
Yeah, you in time for Chicago. You couldn't buy that kind of publicity.
But in a city where everyone loves a legend, there's only room for one.
Here's advice. Keep your paws off my lawyer.
Sweetest little jazz killer ever to hit Chicago.
That's the angle I'm after.
You were in the paper today, too. In the back, with the obituaries. They love me.
They love you a lot more if you're a hang. You know why? Because there's no more papers.
That's Chicago. Renee Zellweger. Kathleen Zeta-Jones. And Richard Gere.
Are you guilty or not guilty?
Don't you want to take my picture?
Good night, folks.
That jazz.
Chicago.
Who couldn't love me? I'm cuddly.
How can I walk away from the best love I've ever known?
We fit together. We're meant to be together. I love you. What a night itself.
The characters you love, the stories you can't live without, all on one channel all the time. SoapNet. Stay in touch 24/7. To find out more, go to SoapNet.com or call your local cable or satellite provider.
After the feature, join us for On the Set, a Kate and Leopold featurette. Then, watch Sting perform the Until music video.
And now, our feature presentation.
That sounds a modified original versions performed at Featurette TV.